Hey everyone, today I'm going to quickly show you how you can add delay between the column runs inside of Clay. We do this because when we create contacts in HubSpot and then create deals and companies and we want to associate all of these, we've noticed that sometimes we can create a contact, but when we instantly try to create a deal and associate that with that particular contact and company, we get an error because the data is still transferring or it has not been fully filled inside of HubSpot yet. So we sometimes want to add 30 seconds to a minute delay. There are many other use cases. This is just one particular example. If you are a power user of Clay, you've run into this problem before. So here's a quick solution. If you don't know me, I'm Dimitar, co-founder at a lead generation agency that is Clay and Smart Lead certified. We've sent millions of emails in the last couple of months alone. If you want to check us out, go to leadheals.com. But let's get on with today's mini Clay hack. To do this, we are going to be using the HTTP API column that we'll call a webhook inside of our own N8N instance, which we are going to also create and have a look at it together in just 1 second. So step 1, create this HTTP column, and all we need to do is enter an endpoint that we're going to get in a second and add a parameter delay and a number. Here we're going to define inside of N8N if this is going to be treated as seconds, minutes, hours, whatever we want. I'm just going to save this for a second and go to N8N. In N8N, you can start by creating a new workflow, use a webhook as a starting point, and make sure that you select the using respond to webhook node. And you need to copy this production URL so you can place it inside of Clay. Basically, this is what we're doing here. This is what we have pasted. This is our endpoint. Once you do that, you need to create a wait node like this one here. You can just type in wait and you get the same thing as me. Inside, you are going to map the wait amount as an expression. If it's like this, you need to click on expression and just drag and drop the delay amount. In this case, that's the number. And we are going to select the unit that we want to be treating the number from Clay. I'm going to do seconds because we don't have time to wait minutes at the moment. And then it is the last node that we're going to do, which is basically this, respond to webhook. And we select all incoming items. If in the beginning you did not see this as an option, when you add the last node, you should be able to see it. But that's basically all we need to do. Click save, put this live. And then when you paste your endpoints, make sure that you're using the get method, enter your delay. In this case, it's 15 and seconds. That's what we've set into our N8N workflow. And I'm just going to run this very quickly. And we can see here if it is running. Yes, it is. So in just 15 seconds, we're going to, there it is. We will start receiving the responses here. There we go. And to continue from here, I think probably all know it, but just pick one of these fields, put it in your column, and all your future columns can have a conditional rule that if this contains production, then run column or something similar.